Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. And today I have some pledgers from Ms. Benitez's third grade classroom, and their names are
Soleil, Sarani, Santiago.
If you would please stand, place your hand over your heart as we recite our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible with liberty and justice for all.
And now we're going to go ahead and do our Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
All right, at this time, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? And you may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected. This means at home, on the bus, and during your school day. Please let an adult know, your coach, your counselor, your nurse, your principal, your parent, if you feel unloved, unsafe, or disrespected. We'd like to remind you that we are a no place for hate school. So today my pledgers are going to recite our pledge for us.
I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. I will help others to feel safe and happy at school. I will be part of making my school no place for hate.
All right, they did an amazing job. Well, today on the 13th, we have no birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you. We do not have a lot of announcements today. We're just reminding our teachers to please continue to do and log in your Brighter Bites lessons for the week. Our Brighter Bite distribution will be next week. Also, our character education theme for the month of January, our Perseverance and Courage. The basketball great Michael Jordan is quoted as saying, "Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, but others make it happen." So the big part about perseverance and courage is to make it happen. Don't want it, don't wish it, make it happen. All right, so it's something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.